Hi guys, it's Mrs. Montini. I wanted to teach a lesson to you guys and post it onto a YouTube page, and we'll see how this works. So I'm thinking daily I will do a math assignment or talk about the reading or whatever. And so if mom or dad will let you, you can go onto YouTube and get on my page and you can watch lessons. So hopefully we can interact that way and you can do some learning and we'll see how it works. So here goes. Okay, so today's lesson on making an organized list. I know we kind of talked about this in school really quickly on Friday, but biggest thing to remember is always start with your biggest amount. So your biggest coin, and keep it organized. Always get the biggest amount of quarters, then dimes and nickels, and it'll kind of go in a pattern from left to right. You'll see kind of like a triangular shape take form. So if I'm looking to make 35 cents, I start with quarters. I know I can use 1 quarter. I cannot use 2 because I'll be above. I'll be at 50 cents. So I can't use that. So I can use 1 quarter and I'm at 25 cents. Now, can I use a dime? If I do 25 and a dime, I'm at 35 cents. And we use tally marks to keep track of how many we use. We use 1 quarter, 1 dime. I have 35 cents. So now, can I use quarters again? Let's see, you gotta think, can I break down this dime into smaller coins? I can. So I could use 1 quarter. So I put a tally mark. And a nickel is worth 5, so I know that 2 5s make a 10, so I can use 2 nickels instead of that dime. So I would do 2 tally marks there. So now I have 25, 30, 35. Can I do quarters again? Nope, I can't. I've used quarters with a dime and I've used quarters with 2 nickels. I'm done with quarters. So now you have to think about your dimes. How many dimes go into 35? 10, 20, 30. If I use 1 more, I'll be at 40, so it's too much. So 3 dimes is 30 cents. So to get to 35, I need 1 nickel, 35 cents. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 35. Now what's my next amount of dimes I can use? Well, I've used 3. I go down 1. So I can use 2 dimes. So it's 10, 20. And then I have to count on to 35 with nickels. 25, 30, 35. So I can use 3 nickels. I want you guys to see if you can find, actually you know the 2 other ways, so go ahead and do that on your own or just talk about it. And let's look to the inside. Let me move my coins. Okay. So our little dude at the top here, piggy bank, says that we should read for understanding, plan with our tally marks, making an organized list. So remember, go biggest to smallest, and then we solve our problem. And remember what Mrs. Montini always says, look back and check your answer. Does it make sense? And also on this page, it's very easy to duplicate answers sometimes. Not so much on this work mat, but on your worksheet. I see a lot of duplicates on some of those worksheets when I correct these every year. So this one's done for you. You have Shira needs 50 cents to buy an eraser. Find the ways. So with a $50, she only needs a $50 coin. 2 quarters make 50 cents and 5 dimes. On number 2, Tony wants to buy a pencil for 55 cents. He has $50, quarters, and nickels. Find the ways he can make 55 cents. Well, 1 is already done for us. $50 is 50 cents, and a nickel is 5 cents. So 50 plus 5 makes 55. I can't use $50 anymore because I'm not dealing with pennies or anything smaller than a nickel. So how many quarters make a $50? 2. So I have 50 cents. And then how many nickels? So I have 50 plus 5, 1 nickel makes 55 cents. Can't use $50 anymore. Quarters, I've used 2, so the next amount I can use is 1. 1 quarter is 25, then I count by nickels to get to 55. So 25, make tally marks as you count. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and then 55. Remember to cross a group of 4 with a seat belt. So 55 cents. And then I've used all my quarters. I can't use any more quarters. I've used 2, then I've used 1, and now I'm going to just use nickels. So count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So we use 11 nickels on that. And I know some of you know that 11 times 5 makes 55. See how we kind of have a triangle? It kind of goes this way. So that's keeping our list organized. And we'll get that pattern on all of our charts as we do that. Do you understand how does an organized list help show different ways to make the same amount of money? Well, the reason to keep it organized is that so I don't repeat an answer, and it just shows me a variety of ways I can make that change, make the different amounts. Because remember, like I always say, that I'm going to have a different answer than my neighbor probably is, and so on, especially if there's a lot of ways to make it. So it just helps me keep it organized so I don't repeat an answer, and it shows me all the different ways I can do that. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and do this side on your own. If you want mom and dad to email me a screenshot of this page, you can do that so I can check up on you. Please send me an email if you need help. Please let me know how your day is going. If you just want to chat and send me an email, I would love for you to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed your first day with mom and dad or whoever you spent the day with. Noah and Zoe have been working hard over here doing their work that their teachers sent them to. So I miss you, and I hope that you guys are safe and healthy. Talk to you later. Bye.